lighting. Very, very important. When it comes to videography, when it comes to content creation, lighting is as important as the camera, because the camera interprets only what it can see. And for the camera to see something, that thing needs to be what? Lit. There needs to be enough light for the camera to interpret that data. So if you're learning how to shoot videos, learning camera gears and everything, make sure you know how to set up your lighting. Most YouTubers use what we call 3-point lighting for their videos, and I'm going to show you real quick what that means. All right, so this is my major light here. This is called key light, you can see, and this one here is called fill light. I'll explain what they do real quick. And if I should turn back now, you will see that I have some other lights here, and for real, this is the backlight. You can see this one serves as the backlight, and there's something we call motivated light. All these ones here serve as motivated light, kind of. Then these ones are just to entice the scene. You can see that this laptop is also serving as a form of light because of the screen is lit, and then this one is also a form of light as well. So all these combine together to give you a super professional dope background. Now, speaking about the key light is your main source of light, and that is that light you are seeing here. It is usually positioned 45 degrees from where you are facing. So if this is me facing here, 45 degrees will be towards this angle. Then your fill light is also another important light. It's kind of dimmer than the key light. That one tends to balance out the shadow created by the key light. Okay, so for context, if I off the fill light now, this is what you have. Switching off the fill light tends to increase the shadow on my right hand side here, which is probably your left, because the key light is my main source of light, but I still need another light to balance out the shadow. Now let me off the key light and leave the fill light on so that you see the difference. Now you can see that the key light, which is my main source of light, is no longer on, and most of my face is now dark. It's no longer as good as before. So lighting is very, very important. On that same hand, let me now switch off the fill light and leave the backlight and some of these motivated lights on, and so that you see how it looks like as well. Now you can see that with the backlights and everything on, you can't even see my face without the key light and the fill light. Now what does the backlight and all the motivated lights do? It separates me from the background. If I switch off all these lights now, you'll find out that the video kind of looks flat. I will no longer be separated from the background. What do I mean? Now can you see this? It's looking very flat. We'll call this being flat, just like as though I was photoshopped into the background. It doesn't make sense. So the backlight is also very important. It kind of separates you from the background. And don't forget, like I mentioned earlier, you need to have some space between you and the background. So let's put our fill light back on. So you see, light is very, very important. You just need to master the art of lightening your scene before shooting. If you found this video informative, subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to smash that like button and keep creating.